Hey, what's up guys? This is Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning, and this is another video on our solar panel cleaning. We have a special project today where we're going to be removing paint from the solar panels, and we're going to show you how we do that. We use a special agent for this to get these clean, and we're going to show you the procedure. So let me flip this around and kind of see you here. As you guys can see, this one right here is nice and clean, and then this has overspray on it. Now if you guys can see that real well. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we get that off. We use a special agent that we have right here. So I'm basically going to spray this small little section right here. That's it. Just spray it. We leave this on for about 15 to 20 seconds. It's very potent stuff. Let me go ahead and see if I could get that angled there. I'm going to be putting on my gloves. And always wear gloves because this stuff is pretty nasty. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean the panels after we get all this stuff off right here. So this is being soaked right now, and I use a bronze pad, and I'm going to spray just a little bit on the bronze pad itself. You can see it's change color. One more time. And then I'm just going to lightly scrub it. This is it right here. So this takes it right off using a squeegee. And as you guys can see, nice and clean. Do you see the part right here where the overspray is there? Literally took this out. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down, and like brand new. You want to go ahead and clean these as soon as possible when you are done. As you can see here, I can go over here and do this and it's not coming off. Little spray. Wait 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Look at this. Look at how nice this comes off. I'm not even scrubbing it very, very hard. Nice and clean. Okay. Get it with the rag. As you can see right here on top, we got to do these to all these panels right here, pretty much. So this is clean. Now, remember we talk about do not put any types of agents or anything on here, void the warranty or what have you. But there are certain circumstances where we have to do this. We have overspray on this. We want to get the overspray off. So the homeowner is good with us. Go ahead and put this on this. So we're basically putting this on here. You can get this stuff from AM Pressure Washing from Mark. I'll leave that in the description below. But you guys can get that from him. Just ask him what it is. He'll tell you exactly what it is, how much it is. And that's it. That's pretty much it. It's very, very simple. And this right here, like I said, this stuff is really nice. Takes it right off with one wipe. There you go. That's it. And then we just hit all the panels, get them nice and clean. It's about 95 degrees out here right now. So we have Rick up there. He is washing all the solution off and try to get that taken care of. You gotta wipe this solution off right away, okay? It's glass, and this solution right here is very potent, very strong. and it's going to continue to eat unless you rinse it off. So that's what Rick is doing. He's got the first level going over here, and the second level you can see right towards the bottom. Let me see if I can catch it right there. You can see how it's drying up. So we want to get that rinsed off really, really good. And once that happens, put plenty of water, deionized water on this, and it will clean them like brand new. Literally brand new. When he gets done with these, it's going to be very nice. So this is a video on how to remove paint from solar panels, guys. Just to let you know, we don't put solutions on solar panels at all, except when there's graffiti or paint or something on it, then we have to get it off. We can get it off, no problem. In this case, the house was sprayed, and when they sprayed the house, it was windy, and overspray got onto these panels, which was a loss in their production. And so we had to get this nice and clean. All right, with that being said, thank you guys for watching our videos. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And once again, this sign right here kind of says it all. See you guys on the next video. Peace.